Hi children, now we are going to do physics lab experiment. This experiment belongs to 7th class and the chapter is heat. Dear students, do you know what is heat energy? Heat is the form of energy that can be transferred from hotter region to colder region. Dear students, do you know how heat energy transfer from one place to another place? Transfer of heat. Heat energy transfer from one place to another place due to temperature difference. Students, the modes of heat transfer are different in different media. Now, today in this session, we are going to discuss how the heat energy transfers in solids. The aim of this experiment is to show the conduction of heat. Materials required: aluminum rod or iron rod, molten wax, clamp stand, iron nails, and burner or spirit lamp or candle. Students, let us see the theory part. The process of transfer of heat from hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. In general, conduction takes place in solids. Procedure: take an aluminum rod, fix some small iron nails on this rod with help of molten wax. Clamp the strip or rod to the stand. Heat the free end of the rod with a candle. See that the iron nails attached to the aluminum rod with wax start falling. Dear students, what did you observe here? Did all the nails fall at a time? No. The nail attached nearest to the heated end of the rod falls down first, and then next one fall. The nail attached to the end of the rod drops last of all the nails. Observation: this experiment confirms that heat travels in the solid substances in the form of conduction. Precautions: see that iron nails stick properly to the aluminum rod. Don't touch aluminum rod while heating it. Don't place any inflammable materials near the burning candle. Dear students, let me ask a few questions based on above experiment. Question number 1. Do all the materials conduct heat in the same way? The answer is no. All the materials do not conduct heat in the same way. Question number 2. What are conductors? The answer is materials which allow heat to pass through them easily are conductors of heat. Examples: metals like iron, aluminum, copper, etc. Question number 3. What are insulators? Answer: the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are insulators of heat. Examples: plastic, rubber, wood, etc. Question number 4. What are the conditions to transfer of heat in solids? The answer is the following are the conditions to transfer heat in solids. Number 1. The two solids should be in contact. Number 2. There should be temperature difference between the solids. Question number 5. In which method does heat energy get transferred in liquids and gases? The answer is, in liquids and gases, heat energy transfers by the method called convection. Thank you.